Hey guys, this is a short video where I would just walk you through what are the different filters I use. I live in a heavily light polluted area of Bortle 8 and 9, and that's why narrowband imaging is something I eventually want to get into. To start with, the H-alpha filter. Now the narrower the bandpass, the better it is, but the more costlier at the same time. The next one is H-beta. This is another filter that I have, O3, and you can see the sulfur too. Now I plan to use this narrowband filters along with a monochrome CMOS camera. Eventually want to combine them into a Hubble palette image. Now the next set of filters is the LRGB, which is if you want to get a color image which is equivalent to shooting an image using a DSLR or a cool color camera. You can do that using a monochrome camera, eventually combining all these different layers into one color image. Now the next set of filters are the light pollution filters. I had bought the UHC filter, ultra high contrast filter, mainly for my visual. But later on, while shooting some of the deep sky object, I bought Optolong L Pro for myself. For reference, I have placed the L Extreme and L Enhance band passes. As you can see, they are more aggressive in terms of cutting the light pollution out. I also use the UV and IR cut filter mainly while photographing the planets. As you can see, many of these filters are very effective in terms of cutting the light pollution which were caused by the traditional, street lights and metal halide lamps. But that's not the case with the newer generation LED lamps. Now here is an example of the Orion Nebula that I had shot with the Optolong L Pro filter along with my Canon 600D. This is still not the final image. This is a project in progress, but however I just wanted to give you a glimpse that I have managed using this filter. Thank you for watching. Clear skies. Bye.